Okay, LIS 1600 students, welcome back. This is the second of your video demonstrations. And in this video demonstration, we're going to be talking about utilizing the power of subject heading searches in the Quest Library Catalog. Let's go into the library catalog now. You know, keyword searching, as you learned, has a lot of problems. Let's say, for instance, you're interested in researching the company Apple. If you just do a simple keyword search and type in the word Apple, you're going to get results about Apple Inc., formerly known as Apple Computer Inc., but you're also going to get a lot of other results that use the word apple. I mean, apple is a fruit. You're going to get novels, for instance, that use the word apple. You're going to get books about particular Apple programs. You might even find books about Apple Music, which is an entirely different company. So keyword searching has its problems. It will provide not only results about your topic, but it will provide what we call false results, results that do share your keyword terms but are about a different concept altogether, and also will include a lot of results where the word apple might be used in relation to your topic, but the item itself, the work itself, is not truly about that topic. Perhaps there's a description where your keyword just happens to be mentioned, but the book itself or the work itself is not really about Apple. All of these are tremendous problems with keyword searching. That being said, keyword searching is a great place to start. I'm going to share with you now the #1 secret of the reference desk and why librarians look so good and seem so magically able to find the results they want. They employ the power of subject heading searches. They might start with a keyword search. A keyword search is a great place to start, but they're going to use it as an entree to locate the subject headings that have been assigned to works about that particular topic. It's probably easiest if I demonstrate this. In your recent assignment, you were asked to select a subtopic relating to the environment and conduct some research on that topic. So let's say you were interested in learning more about how companies and corporations are responding to the new environmental awareness by the public. So you might think a little bit and draft your list of keywords, and the best terms that you might come up with are environment and let's just say companies. It's not the best search, but it's the first one that you came up with. So we do a keyword search and we've got 34 results, and if we look at these, we're going to find that a lot of these really aren't relevant to our topic. Here's an item about merchandising of fashion products. Here's a novel by the famous author John Grisham. Really not what we're looking for. But what you can do when you do the best keyword search that you can is you can examine the list of results and try to find at least one item that does seem highly relevant to your topic. Let's go ahead and see if we can't find one. So actually, result number 25 looks pretty good. This is a book called Green Ink, A Guide to Business and the Environment. But it's published in 1995. It's a little bit outdated. But I would like to find more books that are like this one. Here's what I'm going to do. Remember, again, we're in the list view where we're just looking at a summary of information about this work. We can get a lot more information about this work if we click on the title of the work. Now we get to a full record of information about this particular book, and look at what we get. Besides where it's located and the call number and the availability, we also get a table of contents. And by the way, if there is an image of the book, you can click on the image of that book to get even more information. And this information will vary from work to work, but look, we actually get a review of this book. That might help us decide whether this is a work that we want to go up to the 3rd floor and locate. Is it a good book? But what I really want to do is I want to go down here and find this right here, LC Subject, Library of Congress Subject Headings. And you have read about these in your e-text already. Every item that comes into the library is assigned one or more standardized subject headings from the Library of Congress subject headings. These are standard descriptions of concepts, okay? So by using these instead of keywords, by searching a subject heading that is closest to your topic, you're going to capture everything in the library that has been assigned that particular subject heading. It's much more strategic than keyword searching. So let's see how this works. There are actually 2 subject headings that have been assigned to this work. In looking at the two, I would say that business enterprises, environmental aspects, is a subject heading that very closely mirrors and reflects our topic of understanding how companies are responding to environmental issues. If we click on that subject heading, because it's a hyperlink, we're really just following a breadcrumb of hyperlinks, we get to an alphabetical list of subject headings in the Quest catalog with the one we selected noted in bold. If we look over in the rightmost column, we see that there are a total of 6 items in the library that have been assigned this same subject heading, the one we were looking at plus 5 others. If we click on that subject heading again, we get to a list of just those 6 items. All 6 of these items have been assigned the same standardized Library of Congress subject heading. They are all about businesses and the environment. And if you look at these results, you're going to see that these are actually a lot more relevant to us than most of the results in that larger list that we were looking at. These are fewer results, but more strategic results, and that's what it's all about. So here's the book that we started with, but now look at this. This is a more recent book. Green Business, a 5-part model for creating an environmentally responsible company. This would probably be a great source for a paper on this topic. Green to Gold, how smart companies use environmental strategy to innovate, create value, and build competitive advantage. These are much better results. So again, the strategy is start with a keyword search. Start with your best possible keyword search. Use it from your bank of search terms that you created. And then look at your results. Find one result that really matches your topic. Look at the full record for that result, identify the subject heading that most closely aligns with your research topic, and then follow the breadcrumb trail of hyperlinks to get to a list of just the items in this catalog that share that subject heading. And that is your video demonstration number 2. Go ahead, go practice it.